Could you actually live on Mars with just a bubble helmet? Imagine you wake up tomorrow and someone mails you a transparent, shiny sphere and a note. Put this on your head. Congratulations, you now live on Mars. Stay with this idea until the end because there's a twist that makes Earth look much stranger than the red planet.
You step out onto Martian soil. The sky's not blue, but a dusty orange, like sunset that forgot to end. The helmet kindly gives you oxygen to breathe. You feel proud. You are the pioneer of minimalist space fashion. No bulky suit, no heavy backpack, just you, your bubble, and an entire planet that definitely wants you gone.
First problem, Mars air is almost all carbon dioxide and almost no pressure. It is like trying to breathe on top of a mountain that went on a diet and disappeared. Your bubble helmet protects your lungs, which is nice, but the rest of your body is still standing in near vacuum. The pressure is so low that the water in your eyes and in your saliva wants to boil away, even though it's cold. Your skin starts complaining in all languages at once. Your blood doesn't instantly explode out of your veins, but it also doesn't send you a thank you card. Second problem, temperature. On a good Martian day, it might feel like a very rude winter, and on a bad night, you are basically an ice cube with feelings. The helmet keeps your head cozy, but your toes are turning into frozen historical artifacts. Every step you take writes a short, tragic poem in the frost. Third problem, radiation. Earth has a strong magnetic field and a thick atmosphere that block a lot of cosmic rays. Mars has a very weak version of both, so space is basically throwing invisible high-energy confetti at you all the time. Your bubble helmet does almost nothing against that. You are walking across the desert while the sun and distant galaxies quietly microwave your DNA. Then there is the dust. Martian dust is fine, clingy, and full of interesting chemicals. It sticks to everything, sneaks into every gap, and does not care about your cleaning schedule. Without a full suit, it gets on your skin, in your clothes, in that place between your socks and your dignity. Your bubble helmet stays shiny, but the rest of you looks like a very confused potato that lost a fight with a vacuum cleaner bag. So no, a single helmet is not enough. You would need a pressure suit, insulation, radiation shielding, a way to recycle water, food, and maybe also a therapist who specializes in "I accidentally moved to a dead planet" problems. Real Mars survival is less superhero comic and more slow, careful engineering that does not forgive mistakes. Here comes the twist. The more you think about it, the more you realize that the ridiculous part is not Mars. The ridiculous part is that you already live on a planet that does all of this for you automatically. Earth gives you pressure, air, warmth, a magnetic shield, liquid water, and even free sunsets. And you normally notice only when the Wi-Fi disconnects. You do not need a magic bubble helmet to live on Mars. You already walk inside the biggest life support system in the solar system. It is called your atmosphere, and it is the one bubble you really do not want to pop.